Hi dear friends, welcome to Marielle Beats and Beyond. Today we are going to be reviewing this Hardell engraver pen, and I already opened it because I was very excited. So inside is the manual. Everything comes in bags. I just got them out because I wanted to see it. It comes with these two wrenches, and that is going to be to unscrew this part so we can add the file that we want to use. So right here, this I already opened it as well. Oops. So it came with this engraving tools and two screws, and these screws, like I said, they're going in here. So we can review that in a little bit. It comes with a battery and the charger, and I already charged my battery, so we are going to try it out. So to put the battery, we are going to just twist it counterclockwise. You're going to place it in with the plus on the top, and we are going to use clockwise, close it back, and as you can see, it's just like a pen, same size. With this button, you press twist to turn it off. With this wrench, we just going to counterclockwise is going to loosen it up, clockwise is going to tighten up. So we are going to try it with this one. We're going to place it in, and we are going to tighten it up. Yeah, that's it. I have a piece of wood, and this is just to try it out. I'm going to place it on. Let me show you. As you can see, it works very well. See? So right now, this is metal, and I'm just gonna show you on the back. And you can see it works really well. as you can see, this product really works, so I really recommend to buy it. Please, if you are interested, just click the link below so you can get it. It's very small and it really works. I hope you guys find this tutorial informative, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe.